Let's go in. Where's the entrance?
I think here.
Here?
Oh, fireworks.
Whoa. Summer fireworks.
ドン・キホーテに続いて今月のおすすめアイテムはこちら。あなたの自分のバイクなど
Whoa.
It's Don Quijote penguin.
Whoa.
Oh, your favorite castle.
Wow. Cow soap. I feel lost already.
Huh?
I feel lost already. Thank you. Wow, Thai. Makeup. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Jewelry, shoes. Whoa.
Men's fashion.
Men's fashion.
Even Tiffany.
Whoa, Tiffany. Gosh.
I don't know who buys Tiffany.
Good question. Who? Zakia-san? Kocho.
Yeah, like
It's a store that sells everything. CK hats. Diesel. They probably just get a lot of extra.
I've heard like Don Quijote is popular among like foreigners who visit Japan.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
a.
like cheap omiyage, like a gift,
There's some.
souvenir, like snacks,
It's cheap. Yeah, snacks sounds right. I don't know if it's cheap.
or like a skincare thing, or
Yeah, it sells everything. Toothbrushes. Snacks. Yeah, I do come here for snacks. Toothbrushes. That's a good question. I'm looking. Cute, tiny Tide.
and they are selling like many clothing products like down.
Yeah, they do.
Let's check out the shop.
Snacks. Snacks. Peanuts. Wow, snacks.
Chocolate.
Wow. And giant bags of stuff, snacks.
These are like dagashi. Do you know dagashi?
Dagashi? Wagashi じゃなくて?
Dagashi, like a kid is very cheap. Eat so like when I was little, I
Okay.
went to like this like a candy store and like it 1 cent something or 5 cents chocolate.
For like the children matsuri, right? Children's play.
Yeah.
So kids cheap snacks. 駄菓子。
Where's my phone?
Left. Wow. They have.
What's your favorite?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's my dad's favorite.
Yeah. That one doesn't have much smell.
I see.
I like cow. So much stuff. Pet food. They even sell pet food. Towels. Whoa. Whoa. They're so nice. Kitchen stuff. Whoa. Clothes. Yeah, that's funny.
Pokemon underwear.
Pokemon, Superman,
SpongeBob.
Batman, SpongeBob underwear. Underwear. They sell so much. Where do we go? Wow. Adidas stuff. Wow. Ah! Who buys that for kids, baby?
Gudetama.
どこ？ぐでたま？ピカチュウ。Costumes. Wow.
Gudetama.
Should we get it?
I want to.
Let's get it.
I'll wait.
Why?
Looks for,
Gude
looks
sa-
for winter.
Gudetama socks.
Let me check. Cute.
Look at that.
It looks like you.
That is
Shaun
so
the Sheep.
mean. Shaun the Sheep. Bart Simpson.
Crayon Shin-chan.
Crayon Shin-chan.
Chibimaruko-chan.
Whoa. Chibi-Maru.
Yeah,
Crazy.
it's crazy. It looks spring, but it says super.
No, super. That's interesting. Good idea.
Oh, this is like a sport.
Yeah, I want these. The back support. Smell. Whoa. It feels like sponge.
I want to try
Sponges.
this.
Space age sponge. Space age. Memory sponge. Memory foam stuff. This is like, reminds me of Bed Bath and Beyond in the States.
No,
No?
that's more clean and neat.
Whatever. It's not like this place is dirty. It's a lot of stuff. Whoa, outdoor section. Hey, I could use a desk or something.
I like this type of
Storage.
yeah.
Hey, look, it's 1,000 yen, 1,190.
It's
It's 11 bucks, 10 bucks. Cool. Home. It's like a little Home Depot.
This reminds me of Walmart.
Yeah. See?
Gorilla
Gorilla Glue. Whoa. Cool.
Huge.
DIY. Let's do some DIY. I have no need, but DIY. Cool. It's so wood.
It's more quiet.
I've never been here before. Wow. It's so wood. It's pretty cool. KN95 masks. Dude.
Do you know K95 mask?
Yeah, the really hospital grade masks. Wow.